Hello plant lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Hoya plants, also known as wax plants. These beautiful and hardy plants are a favorite among indoor gardeners. So stick around as we explore everything you need to know to keep your Hoya plants thriving. Let's get started. Hoyas come in many varieties, each with unique leaf shape and colors. They are known for their thick, waxy leaves and stunning, fragrant flowers. Whether you are a beginner or an expert plant parent, Hoyas are a fantastic addition to your indoor garden. First up, let's talk about light. Hoya plants thrive in bright, indirect light. They can tolerate some direct sunlight, but too much can burn their leaves. A spot near an east or west facing window is perfect. If you notice your Hoya is not flowering, it might need more light. Here's my Hoya Mathilde sitting happily by the west facing window. As you can see, it's getting plenty of bright and filtered light, and I'm getting flower constantly. Next, let's discuss watering. Hoyas prefer their soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes with Hoyas, leading to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. During the growing season, you might need to water more frequently, but always let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. You can use a moisture meter to check the soil moisture. If you don't have one, simply stick your finger into the soil to feel for dryness. When watering, ensure that the water flows out of the drainage holes to avoid soggy soil. Hoyas love humidity but can adapt to average indoor conditions. Aim for humidity levels between 40 to 60%. You can mist your plants or use a humidity tray to boost the moisture around them. As for temperature, keep them in a range of 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, but avoid placing them near the heat sources. I like to mist my Hoyas every few days, especially during the winter months when the indoor air can be quite dry. When it comes to soil, Hoyas prefer a well-draining mix. You can use a commercial cactus or succulent mix, or make your own by mixing cocopeat, perlite, and orchid bark. This ensures good drainage and aeration. I already posted a video on this topic. If you want to know my Hoya soil mix recipe, you can check it out. For fertilizing, use a balanced water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength every month during the growing season, which is typically spring and summer. And cut back on fertilizing during fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. Pruning your Hoya helps keep it in shape and encourages new growth. Simply trim off any dead or leggy stems. Hoyas are also easy to propagate. You can take stem cuttings with a few leaves, let them callus over for a day, and then place them in water or a soil mix to root. Here's a cutting from my Hoya memoria. After it forms roots, I will pot it up and soon I will have a new plant. And that's it. With these tips, you will be well on your way to becoming a Hoya plant expert. Remember, each Hoya is unique, so take the time to understand what your plant needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips. Feel free to leave your Hoya care questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping out fellow plant people. Happy growing!